I never learned part 3. So I'm going on another trip and it's 10 o'clock. Hold on, I'm gonna give you exact time. Hold on. It is 10:11. I got work in the morning. I leave tomorrow and I haven't what? Say it with me now. Nicole hasn't packed at all. And what's even sicker is that I still have my shoes and my purse and my luggage from my last trip. I want to make it a thing. I want to be in bed at least by 12. I know I'm not packing as much as I did for Turks. I am going to the Dominican Republic. I'm going to spend a couple days with my family, and then I'm going to this resort. This resort that I've been dying. I'm talking dying to go. Okay, first of all, ignore my hair because I took it out of braids a couple days ago. First of all, she long. Okay, she has grown. I do think I need a trim, maybe not. Anyways, I took it out of braids a couple days ago. I've noticed she has been a little drier, so I had her in deep conditioning all day today, and then I washed her and now she's just air dry. I'm gonna put some leave-in and some oils because for tomorrow's hairstyle I'm just doing a slip back bun. I'm going to start packing. I'm taking my medium-sized luggage. Look at this bag. It's the Riri bag, okay? And I felt compelled to get this Riri bag. In my bag by KM came out with this bag, and she is a beaut. She is pretty big and I want to travel with her. I'll get into this bag and what I'm going to put it into it later because I don't even know, but that's what I'm feeling. Like, that's the type of trip I'm feeling. Usually I use this bag to travel. She is very, very, very essential. She is very practical. She is everything. You know why? First of all, this is my favorite part right here. The, what's that called? The handles of your suitcase go here. And that is just amazing. Like, that really set it off for me. Like, that right there just set it all off for me. So I'm really having a dilemma, trying to figure out if I should be cute or if I should be practical. You know, I haven't decided yet, but we'll see at the end of this video. I'm gonna pack a list. I'm gonna write a list real quick of some of the things I need to help my brain stop being so scattered. Right now it is 10:16. I want to start the actual like outfit putting together by 10:30 tops. So I'll see you guys then. She is back and she's looking crazy, but I made my list. I split it up into days, and this huge wave of sleep just came over me, but I'm really gonna try to do this. It is about, hold on, it is 10:50 now. I already started laying out my clothes. I think we're doing pretty good on time, so I'm just gonna like put the camera down and just get to work. I am watching a show at the moment. I'm watching Younger. I've been obsessed with Younger. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm really, really, really tired. I'm really tired. I really gotta stop doing this, but we're here. All right, we're back with the sticky notes. So I have every day laid out and then a couple extra ones. I do have a smaller suitcase this time. I'm really debating, but I think I'm just gonna stick to the smaller one, and it might result in removing some outfits. I was just trying to get some pictures in. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Either way, I'm gonna see how much I can bring. I also have to take in consideration that I have to put in hair products, at least 2, well, at least 3, which is a leave-in, curling activator, and then a gel in this bag. Wish me luck. All of that is just laundry, so that's fine. It's just this right here. Guys, it is 12:30 and I am exhausted. I don't think this is even focused on me. Okay, there we go. I'm exhausted. I have most of my packing done. The only thing I'm missing is my bathing suits are in the wash right now. And I have to pack my to-go bag. I'm still debating if I want to take the cute bag or not. However, I did get that bag specifically for the trip. So I really want to take that bag. So all I have to pack is really my eyelashes, my sunglasses, and my makeup. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to sleep. And then tomorrow, right after work, I'm literally jetting back here so I can finish up any last minute packing. So this is what I have so far. I have most of my actual clothes in here, and then here I have just some jeans, and then my toiletries because they are bigger size, and I am checking this bag. I'm done with the clothes, I'm done with the shoes. I'm just getting a pair. Oh my god, I'm not done with the shoes. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm done with the shoes. I got 2 blacks, I got my trusty green ones, some heels, water shoes, and I think that's all I'm taking. That's it. And then also I'm taking my Crocs, but I'm taking my Crocs with me. I also have my airport fit out. I always keep that on my chair. Oh, I'm so tired. Guys, I think I'm just gonna call it a night. It is way later. I don't know where I left off last time, but I think I was in the middle of packing and all of that. I think it was last night. I went to work this morning. I was stressing the whole time, and I just wrote down a list of all the things I needed to pack. I got home, literally started to pack, and then we started driving out here late. We literally left the house at 5, which is kind of pushing it, but I made it. I have about 10 minutes to eat right now because I'm literally starving. But of course, check-in is always kind of smooth. This golden hour is literally slapping me. It's giving me a nice goodbye, and I love that. I'm so excited, y'all, but I'm so tired. I got like 2 hours of sleep last night, and now I'm just tired, but I am so excited. So I traveled a little different. Sorry, you know how I was trying to decide between like the 2 bags. I ended up going with the book bag, and I'm not gonna lie, it's just been so smooth and so easy. And also I don't have that much stuff, so I'm not too worried, but I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the bag I have. I use it for school sometimes, but I got myself a Perrier in the flavor strawberry. And then I got chicken fingers. Yo, you guys know what I did? I slathered lavender essential oil on my what's this called, on my sleeping thing. I'm about to be knocked out, so knocked out. But yeah, let's get some food in our system. Any hand sanitizer?
May I have your attention, please?
No.
All travelers, if any to search. Su atención, por favor.
This is what it's looking like.
Si algún desconocido intenta darles
They look alright, but you never fail with some ketchup.
No lo acepte.
What's crazier, I'm literally in the same area as when I was going to Turks. So my gate is $5.95, and then the one from Turks was like it said 5. I meant My phone just fell. I meant to say C95 and we were C92. It's literally like all the way over there. It's pretty close though. It's pretty close. But yeah, I'm gonna continue eating these chicken fingers and drink my Perrier. And I'll probably see you guys either on the plane or landing. You know what's the one thing that I find hilarious, and this is just me chimeando? Dominicans have a habit of literally making the line before boarding starts. Like, it'd be the guy who all the way in the back trying to go in when they even haven't called his group at all. Like, that's the one thing that I'd be like, yo, yeah, I really be wildin'. And then they just stand there. They literally just stand by the door the whole time. And like, a lot of people don't really, I wouldn't say they don't like it, because, you know, whatever. I feel like a lot of people don't do is like, I'm literally one of the last people boarding because I want to. There is no reason that I'm gonna waste my time making a line when I could just wait, because what they gonna do, leave me when I'm right there? So I'd dead just be waiting until everybody gets on and all this other stuff, and then I go. Because imagine like being the first one there, then you in an airplane for how long? Extra time? No, thank you. No, thank you.
Luggage
Yo, nah,
unattended.
my eyebrows.
All
This body
carry-on
again.
and checked
She
luggage is subject
bodied.
to
Oh my
search.
god.
Su atención, por favor. A todos los pasajeros.
Remember instructions. We should be airborne shortly. So once again, make sure that your seat back is upright. Close your tray table. Have a good night. Bye.
Oh, well, that's mine. Thank you. Thank you. Isaiah! Hey, 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 hey!
I'm like, bang, bang. I'm a nigga with the flow coming through with the heat. I'm a nigga from Vanda, Nico Jenna. You know we a Vanda, you know, and shut up to the Stella.
This is how you greet people with a Dominican hot dog. Shout outs to you, my sister. Look at that. Oh my god. Got the ground beef, got the onion, the corn, the sauerkraut. Oh man. Alright guys, I am in my house. I completely showered. I had that hot dog that I showed you guys. And I am gonna go to sleep because I'm probably gonna wake up extra early tomorrow. I really want to get all my days in. I just showered. I put on the Laneige sleeping mask because this flight, it was different. It was different. So I hope my face doesn't really react too much to it. But that was my little getting to the ER vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which will be my experiences here. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.